In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dark mode in Slack. Whether you're working late, prefer a lower contrast look, or just want to reduce eye strain, switching Slack to dark mode is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Slack in your browser by going to slack.com or launch the Slack desktop app if you already have it installed. The process is the same either way. Make sure you're signed into your workspace so you can access your settings. Once Slack is open, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You'll see your profile button there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a small avatar. Click that button to open your personal menu. This is where you'll find options related to your account and app settings. From the menu that appears, click Preferences. This opens a separate window or panel with all of Slack's customizable options. Preferences is where you control notifications, accessibility, themes, and more, so it's a good place to remember for future tweaks. Inside Preferences, select Appearance. The Appearance section controls how Slack looks, including themes, font options, and color modes. You'll see a section labeled Color Mode, which lets you switch between different visual styles. Under Color Mode, click Dark. As soon as you select it, Slack will update instantly, switching the interface to a darker palette. The sidebar, message pane, and menus will all adopt the new theme, making it easier on your eyes in dim environments. There's nothing else you need to save. The change takes effect right away. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same appearance area and choose Light. Some versions of Slack also offer an option to follow your device's system setting, which can automatically switch between light and dark throughout the day. Keep in mind that theme choices generally apply to your Slack on that device and may carry over across your workspaces when you're signed in. A couple of quick tips if things look a little different. Your profile menu might be labeled with your name or say you, depending on your version. If you don't see the menu, try widening the app window so the sidebar is fully visible. And if you're on the web, ensure your browser is up to date for the best experience. That's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Slack. Enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience and feel free to explore other appearance settings to fine-tune the look to your preference.